Hey there! Ever wondered why some things change but stay the same while others become something completely new? Let's explore chemical and physical processes. First up, physical processes. These are changes that only affect how something looks, feels, or acts. For example, folding a paper into a plate doesn't change the paper, it still is the paper. Melting ice, boiling water, even dissolving sugar in the tea, it's just a physical change. The molecules stay the same, they are just rearranged. Now, for the exciting part, there are a few changes that create something completely new. These type of changes, we call them the chemical changes or the processes. When you light a match, the wood burns, producing heat, smoke, light, and ashes, as you can see it in the picture. You can't turn it back to the original match, can you? Roasting metal, baking a cake. Yep, that's a delicious chemical change. In these processes, the molecules actually change into the new substances. So remember, physical changes are like rearranging puzzle pieces, while chemical changes are like creating a whole new puzzle. Science is everywhere, so keep asking questions and exploring. Thank you for watching.